So guys, sorry about that. So I'm sorry. So I just made a video on. It's called the first video ever. Yeah, and so yeah. So I'll get to my introduction, but yeah, I gotta go to sleep, and I'll be back in the morning. And before I go to bed, this is the Extreme Lightning Fire, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Please, that would be a big help. And further ado, see you tomorrow morning. Hey guys, I'm back. Extreme Lightning Fire. Please leave a like and subscribe, because it's the morning time and I'm at a car show. And I might do a little bit, I might make another video later, and yeah, so let's get into it. So we're going over to some cars to look at them. When we see cars, I'll show you too on the video. If you can't see me so good, because if you're on the, sorry about that, on the sun, and we're going over to the dyno or whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called, but sorry if you hear noise talking. That's my parents. So where are we going next?
All right, everybody.
We're going to registration.
Okay, so we're going.
Items that have not been picked up.
We're going to somewhere. I don't know where we're going.
When I call your name, and I'll try not
Or going somewhere, and we're going, because I can't go super fast, or just like makes it where I go like where it's speeding, so it might take a minute to get over there. Here, I can't turn this, but there's some cool cars here. Just turn it around.
number 128.
Hope you saw those. See that car? It's just a lot of cars. A lot of old ones and a lot of new ones, fast ones. Oh, nice. I can see my phone for once. So if you don't have the best view I have, I'm on my phone like usual. And comment on this video if you like it or not. If you leave a like, comment, say I leave a like. If you disliked, say I disliked the video. And if you subscribe, say I subscribed. And if you, yeah, subscribe, then you say on comment I subscribed or whatever. And yeah, so we're walking up. Are we almost there?
It's right there.
So we're going up.
Just stop.
So it's fun being here. And maybe in the next video, because we're going to my dad's girlfriend's dad's house. So we play pool there, and it's her birthday, so we might do some fun stuff on video. So yeah. And I'm just waiting for my dad to get going. So we're getting ready to go over to whatever it's called.
This stuff is amazing.
So yeah. What does this button do? And alright. I might not talk for some of this video, but I might, just because.
Where you guys from?
Order it online, right?
Yeah, we
Sometimes I'm gonna be talking to my dad sometimes, so yeah. And yeah, so we might not be playing GTA today or all that fun stuff, but we will do that at nighttime.
Well, what we need is
Pretty much, I play GTA at my dad's house and my mother's house, so yeah. And I'm gonna be playing that at nighttime and stuff, so in the daytime it'll be stuff that I do.
a demo on anything.
Yeah.
That's my Ride 02. This is my polish on here.
And I'll be back when we get all to the cars. See you then. I'm back, guys, and so I had to turn the camera around and I had to walk a little far because we had to do some things. There's some cars, nice cars. I had a nice ones. Some old ones and some new ones. Sorry.
Button in.
Some nice cars. Here's some nice cars. I like that one a lot. It's a Chevy, whatever it's called. Ugh. Reminds me, the one up there, the yellow one, it reminds me of Bumblebee from Transformers. Sorry, guys. Yeah, this is just cool. Like I said, leave a like and subscribe and comment down below. Please. Guys, subscribe and leave a like. We're coming up to our car. Right here, the black one right up here, this one.
1 o'clock?
Sorry guys, it's Tornado Sirens. It's the first Saturday of the month.
Oh, they do theirs at noon.
It's the first Saturday of the month, so they're doing Tornado Sirens. Nothing to be worried about. That's so annoying. Here's our car. Let's go around it. I'm doing it off my phone, so it's not going to be perfect, but it should be good enough, right? And, yeah. So, yeah, I guess so. This is a short video for some reason. I'm still going to do one. Let's keep going. Looking around cars. Doing fun stuff. Let's get to cars. We have a red one next to us. Comment down below if you like our car. Name. Leave it hang on the ground. 1 second. I'll get it. Sorry, he's gonna drink here.
Close it and put it back on the ground. I don't have to hold it at the car. Put it out of the way because Dad's busy doing something.
Alright. Will you walk around? Wanna walk around?
We can walk in a minute. Wait for Dad, honey. It doesn't take that long to do this at all.
These are all the nice cars. So I'm at the stay for a minute, so I can't really look at cars right now. So I'm just gonna give you a glance, and I'll be back in a minute. Well, it's like a second for you, but a little bit for me. So see you then. I'm back, guys, and we're going to look at cars now, like I've said. We're gonna do it today. And I'm making another video today. I don't know on what, but at nighttime I make a video for sure. I'll try to do as many videos a day. Try to get 2 in, at least 2. I might be able to get 3 or 4 by chance. If I don't make hours of video. That's funny. See that? That's just amazing. That is just amazing, guys. This is just amazing, generator.
To stay, it was never done. It was meant to be goodbye, but I don't know why.
That might change my mind.
I'm not gonna talk for some of this video. So now, for now, I'm not gonna to talk, but if you're talking, talk to your parents.
Same, but they came from the Yanko View. Oh, right.
Oh, I guess I can talk for now. Said it wasn't good.
I had a 91.
And this is only my second video, so.
I didn't like it.
My second video on this channel. And like I've said, if you haven't subscribed, then leave a like. And subscribed, I left a like, and I subscribed, and just subscribe and leave a like. Please.
87.
You're missing the 86, Dad. You need to find an 86, like yours. Oh, that's not like this.
Honey, wait.
What?
That's coming, and I just don't want you wandering out.
That's the LS3.
Yeah.
that I want.
Cut it out.
That one's beautiful.
So here's some nice cars. We got lots of nice cars here. I like that old one. How about you guys?
What I'd really like to do is take an old Monte Carlo with the big, huge. It's right up right past that blue.
Nice car right here, right here. I like all these cars. They're all the same cars. Right there and right there. I think I'm getting that right there. I took that one right there too. And we have Bumblebee, of course, right here again. Bumblebee. I don't know why I keep bringing that up. I like Transformers. Yeah. Got this car, like I've said. This one, yeah. Cool, I guess. I think we have this. There's a nice lake. That guy's not in this video. He's had a photo bombing, he's video bombing. Oh, look at this blue tires. Ugh. This is just insane, guys. I like cars. Oh, look at this and the blue wheels. That's cool, huh? Alright, let's go and see the cars. Oh, look at this. And the trunk, good. There's blue or purple lights. It looks blue. There's that. Here's this. They're mainly Chevy. Dad, they're mainly Chevy. Are the cars pretty much Chevy?
Well, they're all shoved. This is the Camaro show, buddy.
Oh, it's Camaro. No wonder they're Chevy. They're Camaro. Such a dummy. I'm not paying attention. I wasn't paying attention to the name. I'm gonna turn it this way, so I might have to turn the camera first, so you can see the cars better. I think that's a lot better. Nah, let's turn it this way. Unless you wanted to have it this way. Comment down below and say if you would rather have it this way when I'm videotaping, like to see things better, or this way. For now, I'm just gonna go this way. The usual way I go. Let's go to this side.
So they just got them put in the Nova, or the GTO.
Nice. I'm gonna be here for a while, about 2 hours. There's 1.5, 2 hours. Video might not be an hour, 30 minutes or 2 hours, so it might be a little bit shorter. But this is fun. My usual videos, my first video was called the first video ever. It was 15 minutes long. This video, I don't know how much long, but I do short videos for now until I get better. Until I have better quality and doing stuff. So, pretty much. So, yeah.
No, I don't think so. Oh, that blue one maybe.
Nice. This is just so nice. Alright, I think we're going to end the video for today. This is a nice video, so see you next time on Extreme Running. Goodbye!